next I'm going to cook a pizza that's really, really popular on our July special menu at the moment. So using some of the classic ingredients from a Caprese salad, but putting them on a pizza. And so the way I stretch dough is I push through with 2 hands, just trying to push all the air to the crust. I then push through half of the dough roughly. When you get to about a hand's sort of diameter, I'll then use the Napoli slap method to stretch the dough. Obviously another great method is to use it on the back of your hands. And we're looking for a sort of 10, 12 inch dough ball. We can re-stretch it again if necessary. So yeah, my pizza Caprese, what I want to start with is a little thin layer of tomato sauce. This is just really good quality tin tomatoes that we've milled down, just to give it a little base and stop any charring on the base. I'm then going to go on with some good quality cherry tomatoes, vine cherry tomatoes that we've already pre-sliced. And then finish off with some extra virgin olive oil. Nice helping of that, obviously it'll be all over Caprese salad, so we want plenty of that. Now the pizza's out of the oven, I'm just going to finish it with a burrata. I'm just going to tear that over. Nice oozy burrata. Some fresh basil. Some cured beef. And a nice balsamic glaze to finish. And there you have it. PED'S Pizza's monthly special for July. Pizza Caprese, cooked in the woody oven.